Now let's summarize different crystal structures for metals. Okay, we talked about the simple cubic structure, and we don't have any metals have this crystal structure, but there's a semi-metal has this crystal structure. But this is the simplest cubic crystal structure. Has the lowest packing efficiency. Remember APF here represents how efficient it's at packing, and the APF is only 0.52. It's the lowest among all the crystal structures here. And the number of atoms inside of in unit cell it's only 1. So we only have 1 atoms per unit cell for this simple cubic crystal structure. And the coordination number for simple cubic structure it's 6, which means this coordination number means the number of the nearest neighbors. It also means the number of atoms bonded to an atom. So in the simple cubic structure, you have 6 as the coordination number. And the relationship between the length of the unit cell to the radius of the atom is A equals 2R. It's the simplest relationship in this table as well. And next we have BCC crystal structure. It has a little bit higher packing efficiency, which is 0.68 as the APF. And as for the atoms per unit cell, 2 atoms per unit cell for BCC structure. And the coordination number for BCC structure is 8. And the relationship between A and R is A equals 4R over square root 3. And for FCC and the HCP structure, since they are pretty similar, you can remember them together. They both have the highest APF number, which is 0.74, which means they both are highly efficient in terms of packing. And the number of atoms per unit cell, it's 4 for FCC and 6 for HCP. But in terms of the coordination number, they both are 12. And for FCC, the relationship between A and R is A equals 2R square root 2. And as you can see, we don't have a relationship between A and R for HCP. That is because when we have a hexagonal crystal structure, we have top layer, bottom layer. There's a length for the hexagon, and also there's a height C. So we don't have a relationship between A and R here. Hopefully this will give you a summary of and a comparison between different crystals.